Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of filters not finding or founding on the application of TikTok. Here we go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can search about TikTok and you will click. Here you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.